Hi guys, so today I'm going to be uploading or making a video, and yeah, it's going to be on this new set that I got. It's this raincoat set, and it's kind of out of season, but it's kind of rainy here still. So yeah, I decided to get this. Actually, I got it for a present. And this is a spot of rain. That's the name of it. And so yeah, I'm going to open it and be right back. So I am back, and I just opened the set. It took me so long to open the set because it was like so hard. It was all taped up and stuff. So the first thing that comes in this set is just this hanger. This purple hanger. We have like 3 of these, 4 of these, maybe even 5 of these. So yeah, it's good to have these. And then we have a pair of boots. But yeah, so there are these rain boots. So here they are. They're just red and white. There's a button, and it says Our Generation right there. Yeah, let me try to get that to focus. And then, yeah. So they're rubbery and they work well in the rain. So that's what the second thing we're looking for. In the set was this adorable purse, and it's like rainproof also. And, yeah, it could fit a lot of stuff. So that's good to have because I love Josephina and I love Tyler. And all this set was by Our Generation. The third thing in the set, fourth thing in the set, including here, was this adorable hat, and it's like clip on it, and this is rainproof, and it comes with this like strap that you can like tighten it, so it can fit your dolls. I'll show you once I put this on the stand. So yeah, that's the fourth thing in the set. Is this adorable, just my favorite part of the set, maybe, probably, it is So last thing in the set is this adorable rain jacket, and it's polka dotted, and it has these cute pockets on both sides, which you can store like one thing probably. So yeah, and then it has this like collar, and it's just raincoat jacket and buttons up. So yeah, it's really cool, and I'll be right back and I'll put all the stuff on Josephina. So here's Josephina in her finished outfit. Sorry, that's what I was putting my iPad on. But here is the outfit, and it's well, except for the boots. It's very nice, and there's the thing that it like turns it. So yeah, that's the finished piece, I guess. I'm really happy about this piece. I would give it probably a 9 out of 10. So yeah. Please like this video.